for the drop. Nice night tees. Got the famous brick in there.
Tyler loves the brick.
I'm a brick special.
Look at the mullet on this kid.
Look at the new mullet.
Look
Here you go,
fresh,
quickest.
mate.
When did you get the mullet done?
Saturday. I should have filmed it actually.
Yeah. Actually, all the drops are big this week.
Yeah, it's good. Big restock. We sold heaps last week.
Got a lot of new stock this week. It's coming in.
We're picking up orders all weekend for us.
Crazy.
Give us a stash update.
Stash. How's the stash?
Looking good.
Let's
It's been 20 days now.
20 days on the stash.
What? We're going surfing this week. Yeah, so I owe Stu a surf at Urban Surf. So I'm going to take him this week. But I've just given him like 20 IOUs for his birthday.
Are you excited, Stu?
I'm excited. I haven't been to Urban Surf.
You don't
Just
even
been
have
waiting
to paddle.
Just been waiting 3 years.
I'll bring the boards back from Torquay.
Yeah. We'll film it.
We'll film it.
See
So
Stu full cook it.
we'll see who gets the best barrel, eh?
Yeah.
Brooke can come out and film it.
She's not working. It's Monday night and she'll be like, no, you'll be fine.
I'm hungover.
Yeah.
So, hi,
We need some photographers, mate.
I'll get you a
longboard.
GoPro.
No, that's cook ass.
It's only cool because you can't surf properly. If you look cool and surf.
Don't worry, we're just gonna have to wait and see in the next episode.
Have you been there? Though?
No, never. But apparently it's like a weird wave to surf.
Can we get the big barrel day in the pool?
Yeah. I think it's
Get the right fish.
No, I think it's like levels, like you got like advanced.
Yes.
Are we advanced?
I think we'll have to
Maybe
book
not
a-
you.
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
Start paddling.
I've got good the last week.
Been swimming every day, eh?
Is it heavy? New washing machine.
Nothing. These are cold.
Oh, here we go. Just
Magic.
This looks like a beauty. There we go, lift it.
You can do anything you set your mind to, Stu. Okay, you try, Mr. Muscles.
No, I can't because it's like perfectly put in there.
There's
Oh,
no
God.
no such thing as car.
Yeah, just
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Make sure you bend your knees.
Hi YouTube. How to install a washing machine 101. Where does this go?
Yeah, you said dust on you.
I don't know where that came from. Just keep going.
So now that we've done this, we're gonna
Just
put the
put
pipes
drain
in,
pipe in.
the water on.
Water on, and that will make the machine go and produce H2O, which will elaborate the. You got any gapper?
Catch.
Tape.
There you go.
Scalpel.
Oh, there we go.
Nice.
Fancy.
How many boxes we got, guys?
We got two for them. Two
For the
for
minute?
the markets. We'll just go through it all. What do you reckon? What's the plan, Stewie? It's a bloody nice one.
That one's a bloody fabulous one, Tyler.
Can't put that one in there. That was too
That's funny.
That was too hardcore.
Oh, a bit of MBAs.
nice.
Oh, that is cool.
I think all that top of that box is looks pretty good. Oh, it's marvelous. Throw mine away.
NBA team up.
Nice.
I'll always
Oh,
go
that's
for the
cool.
surf. Oh, there's some surf.
Got the Atlantas.
Got the Quicksilver purple.
Oh, that's nice.
Bring it home, boys. Bring it home.
That's a cool one.
Got the best surf in the game, I reckon.
Easily.
Oh, sorry, Tyler's gonna have to do this. I'm on a call.
It's cool. Surf.
Surf.
We're in surf heaven.
Surf heaven this week.
You'll have to wear one of these to urban surf on Monday.
Oh, yeah, true. Do an urban surf on Monday. Wear the kit. At least we'll look the part. Only.
What does everyone want to see? Got some sports team. Go Tampa Bay.
The Bucks.
Go the Bucks. Now that Brady's gone. Oh no. Not doing so good, are they? Got a bit of Atlanta. Everyone's loving the Atlanta at the moment.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Lakers.
The big dog.
Oh, we love the big dog.
The big dog.
It's been rough on that one.
It's a bit rough on it.
Ooh, Brookston.
The Pats.
Go.
What size is that? It's a nice one too.
Not yours.
Might keep that.
Faded. Could be alright. Oh, Eagles are on fire at the moment.
Jason Kelsey.
Oh, I'm gonna keep that one.
That is
That
cool.
one's bloody
Manly Sea Eagles, 97. With the back hit.
You don't even go for Manly, Tyler.
I know, it's like Australian vintage.
You're just
stuff.
like a fake.
I love
You're
Australian
a fake.
vintage.
You're a fake.
Go the Waz.
Nah. Oh, you're just like a.
You don't know who the Waz are.
Name one player from the Waz.
Yeah, name one player.
There's one player.
Go
I
on.
don't follow it that much.
You should be able to name one.
Huh?
The
Jonah
halfback.
Lomu?
All the red.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Chicago Bulls.
Embroidered.
Got the USA basketball team champion. Got another one of them. The double.
Nice little Nike sponsor. Also
Nike,
Melbourne.
1997.
Brooke
Get
just-
ready for the Australian
Brooke just
Open.
trying on the
It's too big, hey.
Patriots
It's
too.
alright. Probably a little big.
What are you doing, Stu?
Just grabbing a few boxes for the market tomorrow. What are you doing, Tyler?
Just filming you, mate. I'm getting all these jorts and all the jackets ready for the market.
You gonna take a few sweaters?
A few sweaters, gotta detach them all.
So all the boxes are all packed just over here, and there's Tyler's boxes and racks.
Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm heading to the market. Got my brekkie because I probably won't be able to eat all day. But yeah, exciting. It's a bit wet today. Car is stacked, and we are going to the secondhand life market. Matt the taxi driver.
Alright, guys, welcome back to Behind the Counter. Tyler isn't with us today because it's his day off.
Yeah, just me and Brooke today, so we'll catch up on what's
The week.
happened this week.
Do you want to take us through the markets and stuff?
Yeah, so this weekend, or last weekend,
Yeah.
we were at Fitzroy and Second Life Market. Heaps of people came through. We had lots of new stock there. It was like great meeting everyone. Lots of people asking about the OV market. So there's really good interest. And yeah, it was just had a good time at both markets.
And we'll be doing what markets going forward?
So yeah, right up till Christmas we'll be at Fitzroy every Sunday.
Up until Christmas.
Yeah.
And in store, we still have our Black Friday sale, so it's still 20% off in store and online. And leading up to Christmas, we have a few sneaky deals that are going to be on the website.
Yeah.
And
We
in
also
store.
have our mystery box, a Christmas one we've just brought out, like exclusive. So you get 2 t-shirts. So check that out on the website.
Yeah, that's pretty much all for this week. Next week, we've got a pretty jam-packed week, so it's going to be a really good episode. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment if you want to see anything else.
Oh, fuck.
gonna get this one. This has to be it.
Yeah, shit.